2. Welcome back to our channel. Hope you are a lot of fine and good in your life. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before continue today, we are going to discuss about 11 ways you can make money in the metaverse. One question I have had about the metaverse is how I can make money in the metaverse. So let's take a look at potential side hustles in the metaverse to see how we can make more money. Number 1, NFT art. The NFT art market is on fire right now. If you do a quick Google search for NFT art, you will quickly find a new article about a piece of NFT art selling at a new record price. The idea is to buy some NFT art and put it in an art gallery within the metaverse. Second, voxels. What is the heck are voxels? Voxels are actually pretty cool. They are the material used to create other items within the metaverse. Think of them as a 3D pixel that can be combined with other voxels to make buildings, clothing, cars, and other metaverse items. The third method is construction. There are now metaverse construction companies say what? One company, Voxel Architects, is even making $300,000 per project to help others build buildings within the metaverse. The fourth one is real estate. Real estate has been booming for the major virtual world metaverse such Decentraland and Sandbox. You can start helping people list their plots of land and make a nice commission off that sale. Advertising. Just like in the real world, you can create advertisement platform in the metaverse. Real world companies like Nike are building their own little corner of the metaverse to help with marketing for their items. Parcel rentals. Just like the real world, people can rent out land or space in a building within the metaverse. Sometimes people will buy land but do not know what to build, so they will rent it out to other people. The seventh method is games. Game is a massive industry. There is no doubt that will be true in the metaverse. You can build games within the existing metaverse platform like Decentraland and Sandbox. I suspect there will be a gaming boom once more virtual reality is introduced within the metaverse. I can imagine bowling alleys, laser tags arenas, and even tag throwing as major destinations. The eighth method is online KTV. Apparently, karaoke is a big thing in the metaverse. There is no doubt doing karaoke with friends is a silly but absolute treat. So, how are you going to make money in the metaverse with karaoke? Well, you can start your own karaoke bar or you can create music NFT to sell other karaoke bars. The ninth method is virtual clothing. Yep, you can buy virtual clothing for your avatars in these virtual worlds. People are make clothing of people to buy so they can customize their avatars. The 10th one is collectible. Just like trading cards or winning babies in the real world, there are also collectibles in the metaverse. Collectibles range from clothing to a sword to a car and even up to yacht. The 11th method is data science. As a data and analytics person, I can only imagine the data these metaverse are collecting on people. Just like in today's internet website can see every click on you make a web page. I'm sure they are doing this same data collecting along with where you visit most and so on. It also used for market analysis. Store owners and landowners want to know more about the people visiting their little slice of digital space. Data science teams can buy the data from metaverse platforms and put the data into easy to digest reports of their customer. This allows the customer to make data driven business decisions to make more money on the metaverse. Now I'll conclude this topic, and I think that there are a lot of really cool opportunity to make money on the metaverse. There are only some of the ways someone can make money in these virtual worlds. I am sure we will see more unimaginable creative ways to make money on the metaverse in the next 5 to 10 years. Really, the metaverse is like today internet, but in a three-dimensional digital world. Instead of our current flat web pages, metaverse architecture firms are just like web developers for today internet. Making money in the metaverse not sounding like the right side hustle of you. Well, check out our ways to make money pages as well. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.